I'm about to do my last little tune-up activity on a 1999 Sanger competition ski boat with the, what is it, the MPI Mag 350 ski. That's a 5.7 liter V8. And I'll link the video where I had to diagnose and replace the Hall effect sensor or the ignition sensor, and also the distributor cap and coil. So that got everything running pretty good, but I still had a little bit of problem, which I'm suspecting is the spark plugs. So many spider webs down here. I am so sick of spiders. Anyway, we're going to replace those plugs and see if that final resolves all the performance issues with this boat. Stay tuned. Here's that big, beautiful engine that normally runs perfectly. Spark plugs are on the exhaust manifolds. And I've replaced them, I don't know how many years ago. It might have even been when I was still in California, so it might have been over 10 years ago. And we're going to see what the condition is. I hope I didn't put copper core plugs. If I did, they're definitely worn out. I'm going to put some Iridiums back on it. These are going to be AC Delco. So these are copper core. They don't look that bad. The gap's nice and big like it's supposed to be. I think it's 0.045 is the spec. But like I said, I'm going to go with Iridiums, so I don't have to worry about this anymore. The proper gap is 0.045, as I mentioned, and these plugs came gapped well over 0.05. I think it was 0.055. So I'm having to re-gap these for the appropriate spec for this engine. So make sure you always check the gap on your plugs. Before I start and test the engine, I wanted to take a look at the spark plugs to see if they were contributing to the moderate throttle miss that I was getting. And it wasn't a real significant miss, but I could just tell it wasn't performing well. The spark plugs are laid out as they were in the boat. So this is the front of the boat. And on the port side to the left, it's 1357 for a GM engine and 2468 on the right side or the starboard side of the boat. And you'll notice right away there's a lot of carbon buildup. And that's probably due to the poor performance of the coil, the Hall effect sensor, and the distributor cap. They were not giving complete combustion, or not providing for complete combustion, which was allowing the plugs to foul up, or causing the foul up, which was causing the slight misfire. So now with all those components replaced and with fresh spark plugs, it should run perfectly smooth. So let's go test it out. Okie dokie, Abe. Let's see if you and the viewers think it will start smoothly. Sounding good. With the new plugs, it's running smooth as butter, and as usual, I'll link everything I use in the description of this video. And unfortunately, it's the end of summer, but she's definitely ready for next year. See you next time on Driving Intelligence.